Hi YouTube family, welcome to Be Natural with me, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this a anti-aging skin face mask, which just using very basic 3 ingredients. All right, and before we get started, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. It will give me some motivation and encouragement to keep going and make more videos to share with you. Again, I just do this as a hobby. I like to share what I have learned over the years. So the star of this this remedy for the face mask is called Star Anise. It's from a tree, I think from China. So what it does is it contains the anthanol, which is extremely effective in detoxifying the skin. So it contains the tanning, which helps to tone the skin by strengthening the muscles. So basically that equals to firmness, and also it prevents sagging. So as soon as you apply the star anise to your skin, it appears softer and smoother. And this is kind of how it looks like. So what I normally do, again, it's good. You can even make a tea out of it. There's so many benefits of star anise, but the one for the hair, for the skin, what I use is I just use a coffee grinder and I just grind it into powder. And if you're curious where to buy this, I think most grocery stores carry it, but I got it from an Indian grocery store. It's like really cheap. I mean, big bag. I got it for like under $5, $3, which can last you for years, honestly. And it's used in Indian cooking as well, especially like a rice type of dishes. It has a really nice fragrance to it as well, along with all the benefits. And the other ingredients we will need is some yogurt and some all natural honey, if you have that. This is all natural honey from my neighbors. All right, so let's get started. So all we need is just enough yogurt that you need for your face. I think I grabbed a little bit too much, so I'm gonna take some back because I don't like to waste anything. So here we go. So that's probably is enough for my face. And then in there, I'm gonna go ahead and use, like, I would say probably a teaspoon. So just kind of like, just mix it enough where, yeah, I would say maybe a teaspoon. And also we would just need the same amount, about a teaspoon of a honey as well in there. So go and then we just have to mix it all in and apply, and definitely leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there we go. Just gonna take all 3 ingredients and mix it really well. It kind of helps with the, because it's not, the powder is not, I didn't make it as powdery. It's a little grimy, so it kind of like helps with the so what I do is it a scrub as well. So I leave it on, and when it dries out, I just add a little more water to my face and kind of scrub it out as well. So this is kind of, you want to make sure that it all mixed in, and then that's it. The next step is just to apply it on your face and leave it on for about I would say 15 to 20 minutes, and I can give you a quick demo on how I apply it. But just like any other face mask, it's very simple. Okay, so I just washed my face and just paper dried it, and now I'm going to use just the back of my spoon. You can use that, or if you like to use a brush, you can use that. It really doesn't matter. Or you could just use your hands, you know, it's kind of nice. So the point is, you want to make sure you just apply it all over your face, and when you're applying it, it kind of, as I said, it works kind of as scrub as well. So it just lightly kind of, it helps to scrub your face as well. So you can even put it on your lips as well. it's a lip scrubber as well. So I just put a little bit tiny, and I mean, everything we have in this mask is, you can literally eat it, you know, yogurt, honey, and the Star Anise. So keep, just again, as you apply, just scrub your face lightly, and I just do it all over. I just put it everywhere. Here we go. And you will notice it will really smooth out your skin. It helps with the wrinkles quite a bit. As you know, if you start hit like 40, all those wrinkles start appearing everywhere, and it's really important to start taking care of your skin. And I even put it kind of like gently, but under my eyes as well. There you go. I guess you get the idea. So I just put it all over. That's it, guys. So just leave it on, apply it, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes for sure, and then just wash it up with cold water and follow your rest of the routine. So thank you so much for watching, and give me thumbs up, comment, and share this video. Thanks. Bye.